Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you how to use the portal and how to upload your homework on the portal. So first we will click here to create your password. So first step is to create password. After clicking on that, one interface like this will open where we have to write our password and then again our password to confirm the password, and we will click on I agree to the terms of services and privacy policy and save password. So after saving your password, we have to go back to the mail and we have to click on achievegreat9.com, this link, and after clicking on this, one interface like this will open. Actually I have already logged in the student portal, that's why. So you have to use your mail id and the password that you created for logging into the portal. So one interface like this will open. Next we have is calendar. So in calendar, our daily schedule will be shown, like whatever classes we have per day will be shown. Let's suppose yesterday I had one class with Supriya ma'am, so the class timings and my batch, all these things were shown in the calendar. And for every day you can check your calendar. Next we have online resources. So through online resources you have access of recorded lesson and homework. So what you have to do, you have to click on shared spaces. Let's suppose I am a student of lesson year 10, so I will click on my batch, then I will select my year, so the recent year 2025 to 2026 batch. Okay, and let's suppose I have classes on Friday, so I will select my batch, Friday batch, and I can see the last uploaded lesson is of lesson 21st November. So when I will click on that, I will get lesson recording and homework both. So through online resources, you have access to the recorded lesson and the homework, both things. So if you have any confusion like where to find the homework, so you can find here. And the last and the most important is how to submit the homework. You will click on homework submission, then as you can see, there is no submitted homework. So first we will click on submit homework and then tutor selection. So my tutor is Supriya ma'am, so I will select my tutor name, then I will choose the document to upload, and then I will write the assignment name, like what is my homework. I will write that topic name. Let's suppose it's pre-assessment rate of reaction homework. Okay, then I will write how much time it took me to complete the homework. Let's suppose 1 hour 30 minutes, so I will write that. Then notes to tutor, this is optional, but here you can write if you had any doubt in any question. Let's suppose you have doubt in question number 3 B part, so you can write, ma'am, I have problem in this part, can you explain this in the class, so that the tutor can view it. Okay, then we will save. When we click on save, our document will start uploading, as we can see in the next step. Yeah, our document started uploading and then our homework is uploaded. So it's that easy. We just have to click on homework submission, then submit homework, and then we have to follow the steps. And this is the most important part. You guys need to upload your homework on the portal only. Okay, not in the WhatsApp groups. Try to upload it in the portal, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. Thank you.